Given that there is a common solution to the following equation, this is first equation and this is second differential equation. Find the value of alpha, which is used in the second equation as a q, and find the general solution of q. So this is second part, and in numerical answer type, this problem can be asked find the value of alpha. So we have two equation and one condition. So equation P is given y prime plus 2y is equal to e raised to the power x y square. Here x is independent variable and y is a dependent variable. Also dependent variable comes in the right hand side. If we divide this y square whole divided by y square throughout, then we have 1 upon y square y prime plus 2 upon y is equal to e raised to the power x. Whenever dependent variables comes in 1 upon y type, so always replace this y another variable v. So dv upon dx is equal to minus 1 upon y square dy over dx. So we have the value, and using this we can write 1 upon y square dy over dx equal to minus of dv over dx. So we can replace this one minus dv over dx plus 2v equal to e raised to the power x. Now we have other variable v and x. V is a dependent variable and independent variable is x. So we will find the solution of this differential equation. So make this term positive. So dv over dx minus 2v is equal to minus e raised to the power x. This is a linear equation and we find first integrating factor of this. So integrating factor if will be e raised to the power minus of this minus of 2 dx. It will be e raised to the power minus 2x. So we have integrating factor this. Then general solution of this equation will be dependent variable, and dependent variable is v. So write v here, not y, because we are finding solution of this one and then we will find the solution of original one. So v into integrating factor is e raised to the power minus 2x equal to integration of right hand side, which is this e raised to minus of e raised to the power x, and integrating factor is e raised to the power minus 2x with respect to dx. Also you can take c, constant of integration. So here we can write v into e raised to the power minus 2x is equal to e raised to the power, you can take negative outside because of base is same, so power will be 8, e raised to the power minus x dx plus c, and this one is equal to minus of e raised to the power minus x, and negative is also, so it will turns into positive plus c, and v into e raised to the power 2x in left hand side. Now apply given condition as differential equation have as differential equation we have y0 is equal to 1 and this solution in terms of y. So first write solution in terms of y. This is in v, so write in terms of y. So what is v? V is nothing but 1 upon this is minus sign there y. V was 1 upon y, so replace this one. So e raised to the power minus x plus c. Now apply this given condition, y0 is 1. So we have 1 plus 1 is equal to c. Sorry, 1 is equal to I write again, 1 is equal to 1 plus c, because of if you put 0 here, then this term will go to 1 and plus c, and this one is also 1. So this implies that c equal to 0. Now we have the solution of differential equation P. That means y equal to, or you can write e raised to the power 2x is equal to e raised to the power minus x. So divided this equation by e raised to the power minus x. So it will be e raised to the power minus x is equal to y. So we have this solution. How you can write this one, divide this one, so one power left, so minus x, so e raised to the power minus x equal to y. Now as given, these differential equation have common solution, and alpha is used in Q, so this solution will satisfy second differential equation Q. So find first and second derivative of this one. So y prime is equal to minus of e raised to the power minus x, and y double prime is equal to e raised to the power minus x. Use these y prime and y double prime in equation Q. So e raised to the power, as Q is given, y double prime minus 2y prime plus alpha y is equal to 0. So alpha is used in this, so we will find alpha from this one. So put these differential coefficient e raised to the power minus x minus of 2, or minus minus turns to positive. So e raised to the power minus x plus alpha, and y was e raised to the power minus x equal to 0 because of common solution. We use this one because of common solution, otherwise we can't. So we can write 3 e raised to the power minus x from first two terms plus alpha e raised to the power minus x equal to 0. So from these two, on comparing coefficient of e raised to the power minus x, we have alpha is equal to, or you can e raised to the power minus x. So it will be, write this equation as 3 plus alpha e raised to the power minus x equal to 0, and on comparing, alpha is 3 plus alpha is equal to 0. This implies alpha is equal to minus 3. Now we have the solution minus alpha. If anyhow this problem says that find the general solution for Q, so write auxiliary equation for Q, m square minus 2m minus 3, as we have, because of alpha, now this time non, because of Q was y double prime minus 2y prime plus alpha y is equal to 0. Replace alpha with minus 3, so y double prime minus 2y prime minus 3y is equal to 0. Using this we have auxiliary equation this one, and find the solution of this. So m will be 3 and minus 1, because of 3 1 is 3. So difference is 2 and product is minus 1. So solution will be c1 e raised to the power 3x plus c2 e raised to the power minus x. That was the solution of differential equation Q. But in another form, this problem can be asked, find the value of alpha. That we also find using common solution.